Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, if you are a researcher, AI enthusiast, or just curious about the latest breakthroughs in AI, this series is for you. From computer vision and generative AI to natural language processing, large language models, and multimodal AI, we will explore the most impactful research papers shaping the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's shaping the world right now. From self-learning robots to artificial intelligence-powered research breakthroughs, the role of an artificial intelligence research scientist is more crucial than ever in 2025. AI research scientists work on refining theoretical concepts, creating new algorithms, and enhancing existing models. They push the boundaries of AI innovations, contributing to breakthroughs in self-learning systems, model efficiency, and AI safety. Dear friends, in 2025, the demand for AI research scientists has skyrocketed. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 23% job growth for AI-related roles through 2032, outpacing more other professions. Top AI companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic are competing to hire top research talent. To excel in this role, it's crucial to stay updated with recent research, engaging with publications from leading conferences like Neural Information Processing System, Conference on Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition, Association for Computational Linguistics, International Conference on Machine Learning, last but not least, the Open Access Research Repository. So beyond reading, participating in workshops, seminars, and collaborating with global research communities provides valuable insight into emerging trends and breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Dear friends, by immersing yourself in cutting-edge research and actively contributing to the academic community, you can drive innovation and stay at the forefront of AI advancements. So if you want to stay ahead in artificial intelligence research, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because you won't want to miss this insight. Yes, dear friends, from tomorrow, each and every day, I'm just going to make an episode on latest papers and let me just discuss each and everything and explore the latest technology. Happy learning, dear friends. Thank you.